Namaskar. Today I will request you people to please see the full video if you want to conclude something, because I see, uh, I feel that people don't see the full video because the timings are very less. Whatever timing I see, that people have seen this much and all that. So if you don't see the full video, you can't conclude the extract. So please see the full video to reach the conclusions. And today we will talk about the complex situation of corona in front of us. And I talked about that in my previous videos also. Now, the thing is, when we have cold, we can have corona. When we have cough, we can have corona. When we have fever, we can have corona. When we have nothing, even then we can have corona. So those people, I don't want to name them, whosoever they are, they want corona to walk with us this way, this way, this way, this way. So what we need to do? And now in the post corona days, after the corona few months have gone, there can be a talk of new wave, the bigger wave and all that. So मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करूंगा कि अगर हमें जुकाम है तो तब भी कोरोना हो सकता है, खांसी है कोरोना हो सकता है, फीवर है कोरोना हो सकता है, कुछ भी नहीं है कोरोना हो सकता है। इसका मतलब ये है कि वो फोर्सेस चाहती हैं कि कोरोना हमारे साथ चले। Why? Nobody knows. Because these all things used to be there with us and we used to treat them in a regular way. ये चीज़ें हमारे साथ होती थी पहले भी, हम इनको रेगुलर वे में ट्रीट करते थे। So, even the post period, the कोरोना के बाद का पीरियड जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कुछ महीने बाद का, उसमें भी दे आर रेडी टू टॉक अबाउट दिस वेव। ये दूसरी हवा आएगी, ये तीसरी हवा आएगी, और ज़्यादा होगा और ज़्यादा होगा। वी नीड टू आस्क, द पीपल नीड टू आस्क, द डॉक्टर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड शुड आस्क, what is all this? And many people are trying to do that, but nobody answers. बहुत सारे लोग इसको पता करने की, पूछने की, क्वेश्चन करने की कोशिश करते हैं, and then the media goes against them, or the pharmacies goes against them, or the system goes against them, and they try to make them silent. उनको चुप कराने की कोशिश की जाती है। Now, what we need to do? हमें क्या करना है? हमें, हमारे पास, we have only wisdom. We will use our wisdom to see what we need to do. With wisdom, resetting, resetting, and resetting at every phase of this situation. Even otherwise, we need resetting, 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 or redesigning, redesigning, redesigning. That too, with wisdom, we should know more and more to design things, to reset things. Just like we drive a car, from the first point when we start from our home driving, every point we reset. This way, this way, this way, we are steering and keep having the steering in our hand, and we are resetting, 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 this. So just like that driving, we need to reset the things. because the system, the things have gone that complex with a very fishy background. So that the post corona period can also be a very different type of period. So we need a very very nice decisions with our wisdom. हमें कुछ फैसले करने पड़ेंगे अपने सोच से कि कैसे करना है. I talked about the same in my previous video. Today again I am talking on the same lines to stay prepared for the coming vaccines, for the coming new wave, whatever the messages comes in the air. We need not to fear. We need to be wise. Or today I am going to tell you a recipe for the circulation of the blood, for carrying the oxygen in our blood to stay okay. What we will do? We will take 100 grams of pineapple. You cut the piece of pineapple 100 grams. Then beetroot 100 grams, the chucandar in that pineapple. Then the third thing, a 50 gram of ginger root, adrak. Then the 4 pieces of garlic, 1 onion. We will crush it and make a paste. This paste we will take 2 spoons in the morning, 2 spoons in the evening. What it will do? It will give a very nice carrying of the oxygen to our cells, and that can keep us very healthy, and it will look like this. So we talked about the post-corona days need to have very wise decisions. Post-corona days need very nice decisions because the things will be coming this way, that way. Then again, we talked about resetting with wisdom. हमें रीसेटिंग करनी है, हर चीज़ को दोबारा डिज़ाइन करना है थोड़ी समय से, information से. Then we talked about when the cold is there, you can have corona. Cough is there, you can have corona. Fever, you can have corona. You have nothing, even then you can have corona. Can we be that foolish? No. We can think. We can decide. So I will begin there in front of you with something more fantastic, more informative, to make us decision makers, wise and healthy. Namaskar.